Look here. Any YouTube channel, what is the type of YouTube earnings? So we upload the video. The YouTube channel will got the AdSense. When 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. What is the type of earnings? How many ways are there? Any of earnings for monetization, overlay ads, sponsor ads, skippable, non-skippable. Default one is called display ad. Means display ads. If you go to any monetization option, see the ad one. First one, display ads is a default. Nobody can delete for your display ads. Next one, overlay ad. What is meant by overlay ad? When video will be playing, in between the time distance, one ad will be showing for in your video up. Video the up. So that is called overlay ad. Next one, sponsored cards. They show in the video right side of the option. Not only for right side video, the video on the corner. Next one, skippable and non-skippable video. Just first of all, look here. I can open this video on the new tab. First, you can see the video format. In video, what are the video will be showing for? On visibility purpose. Just coming to this video. How many ads are there? This will be one yellow ad. Yellow nothing but your ad. Yellow nothing but your ad. If any sponsor got visible by in this part, this is called overlay ad. This is called overlay ad. If suppose we come into any video, so just I'm clicking this one. Now how many yellow ads will be there? Only for one. Coming to this. See, what is that? This is called overlay ad. Now coming to here, if any one video you can go for this. This is called display ad. This is called display ad. So coming to YouTube, any kind of trending video, the video will be showing for 4 ways. One is called overlay ad, display ad, sponsor cards. Sponsor card regular, not for regular. When YouTube getting more ads, they come into sponsor cards. Now click for in this option. Here how many ads are there? 1. When showing for any yellow mark, that is called your ad. Now see, this coming to yellow ad will be displayed. Is it clear? This is called overlay ad. When coming to this one, display ad. This ad will be discussed your side and will be displayed by your side. That is called Google AdWords. Google AdWords ads will display by where? YouTube ads. So the amount of spending for Google AdWords, the amount will be given by YouTube ads as your earnings. That is called totally how much of earnings are there? Display ads, overlay ads, sponsor cards, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. I'll show the skippable ads here. See, I'll show this one. This is called skip ad. More than 5 seconds. Less than 5 seconds. This is called non-skippable ad. Any video they're showing for skip ad is called the video more than 5 seconds. They can't show for non-skippable. That is called less than 5 seconds. So when any video playing for the ad will become 5 seconds. No coming from skip ad. More than 5 seconds. They are showing for skip ad. So this is called for your YouTube earning purpose. Please note on this 5.